Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make chili soup. First, ensure you have all your ingredients on hand. You'll need 1 pound of ground beef, 2 cans of kidney beans, and 2 cans of diced tomatoes. Don't forget 1 large onion, 2 cloves of garlic, and your spices, 2 tablespoons of chili powder, and 1 teaspoon of cumin. Having everything prepped makes the cooking process much smoother and more enjoyable. Let's get started on this delicious journey. Now, let's get cooking. Start by browning 1 pound of ground beef in a large pot over medium heat, breaking it up as it cooks. Once the beef is no longer pink, drain any excess fat. Next, add your chopped onions and minced garlic to the pot, sautéing them for about 5 minutes until they become fragrant and tender. This step builds a fantastic flavor base for your chili. Keep stirring to prevent sticking. After bringing your chili to a boil, reduce the heat to low, cover the pot, and let it simmer for at least 30 minutes. Simmering allows all those wonderful flavors to meld together beautifully. Remember to stir occasionally to prevent the chili from sticking to the bottom of the pot. Before serving, taste your chili and adjust the seasonings. You might want to add a pinch more salt, a dash of pepper, or even an extra half teaspoon of chili powder to suit your preference. Your homemade chili soup is now ready to enjoy. Ladle it into bowls and serve it hot. This is where you can get creative with your toppings. Popular choices include shredded cheddar cheese, a dollop of sour cream, or some fresh chopped cilantro. Cornbread or crackers also make excellent accompaniments. For a fresh car scent, check out the Little Trees Black Ice link in the description, along with other great deals. Enjoy your comforting and flavorful chili.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.